Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine, and I am here with another interesting query, and this query is again related to IIT that was asked in 2002. Let's see the query. The query is: an observer can see through a pinhole the top end of a thin rod of height h placed as shown in the figure. The beaker height is 3h and its radius h. When the beaker is filled a liquid up to a height 2h, he can see the lower end of the rod. Then the refractive index of liquid is. In this question, the top end of a rod having height h placed in a beaker of height 3h is visible for an observer that sees it through a pinhole. It means this is the only track for any ray coming from any part of the rod. If a ray coming from any part of the rod after refraction goes on this track, then that part will be visible by the observer. But in this question, we just have to calculate the refractive index of liquid. Again, see in this figure, this C, D, E, B, B. If this angle is theta, this ED equals to BC equals to H, and in this question the base radius of beaker is H, then this total CD is 2H and this ED is H and this total is 3H, then this EG is 2H. In this triangle, tangent theta equals to perpendicular EG upon base EB, that is 2H upon 2H. It gives tan theta equals to 1, then theta equals to 45. Again, when liquid is filled in the beaker, the ray coming from the bottom of the beaker hits at this point O. Then, since the bottom end of the rod is visible for the observer when liquid is filled in the beaker, then it must travel on this track after refraction. After refraction. HI. This BC equals to HI equals to H. BC equals to HI equals to H. Suppose BH equals to L. BH equals to L, and in this triangle BHO, this angle is 45. This angle is 45, then tan 45 equals to H upon L. H upon L. 1 equals to H upon L. This gives H equals to L. This angle is 45 in this triangle OBH. Then this is also 45 because it is 90. If this is 45, then this is also 45. Why? because these two are vertically opposite angles that are equal. It gives light gets refracted in air at an angle of 45°. Suppose light hits here at an angle I. Then refraction is taking place in air, so the refractive index of air is light hits at an angle I sin I upon sin R. But we have to calculate the refractive index of liquid. Then refractive index of liquid is inverse of refractive index of air, that gives sin R upon sin I. Sin I. In this, sin R is sin 45, but sin I is unknown for us. Let's see here. In this triangle OCI, this H and this is H. This complete OI equals to 2H and this is L, that is equals to H. In this triangle OIC, OC equals to root H square plus 2H whole square. This gives OC equals to root 5H. Then sin I is perpendicular upon hypotenuse H upon under root 5H. Then sin I equals to 1 upon root 5. Now refractive index of liquid is sin R sin 45 upon sin I is 1 upon root 5. Refractive index of liquid is sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 upon 1 by root 5. This gives mu L equals to root 5 upon 2. In this, the options are given to us: first 5 by 2, second under root 5 by 2. Hence, second option is correct. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.